Looking ahead, Honda plans to return as a full-scale engine manufacturer in 2026, partnering with Aston Martin. This move aligns with new, sustainable regulations that mandate the use of 100% carbon-neutral fuels and equal power output from engines and electric motors. Statistics of accolades. As a team, Honda entered 88 races, achieving 3 wins and 9 podiums. As an engine manufacturer, entered 482 races, securing 89 wins, 6 Constructors' Championships, and 6 Drivers' Championships. Honda's engines have powered cars to 3,409 points, 90 pole positions, and 76 fastest laps.